Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are getting Roblox error code 403 with a message like authentication failed, then this video will help you fix it. This error usually means access is denied, and it can happen due to account issues, VPN usage, or corrupted files. If you search this error on Google, it also says that Roblox error code 403 typically happens because of authentication failure, banned accounts, VPN usage, or corrupted game files. So let's fix it step by step. First, open the Start menu and search for Run. Open the Run window. Now type %appdata% and press Enter. Once the folder opens, click on AppData at the top. Then open the local folder. Scroll down and find the Roblox folder. Click on it and delete it completely. This will clear corrupted files causing the issue. Now close everything and restart your computer. After restarting, try opening Roblox again. If the issue is still not fixed, here is the next method. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left side, click on Apps and then Installed Apps. Now search for Roblox. Click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Confirm and remove Roblox completely. Now open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu. Search for Roblox. Download and install it again from there. Once installed, open Roblox and the error should be fixed. Also make sure you are not using any VPN because that can block access. And if your account is banned, you may need to use a different account. So this is how you can fix Roblox error code 403 on Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.